these numbers
and we'll talk about
that.
the strike impact.
Yep.
And we'll talk about the strike impact. You definitely see it in what General Motors is announcing this morning. Let's go first off with the Q3 numbers, a beat on the top and the bottom line. GM earning $2.28 a share. The street was expecting $1.88. Revenue coming in stronger than expected at $44.13 billion. We are seeing the impact of rising costs and the cost component in terms of tighter margins. Margins for the third quarter overall up 8.1% compared to 10.2% last year. North American margin 9.8% compared to 11.2% in the same quarter of last year. Automotive free cash flow coming in at $4.91 billion versus $4.59 billion last year. GM saw profitable growth in every region around the world. That's great. We knew the third quarter would be strong. It's the impact of the UAW strike. That's what people are more interested in right now. Frankly, what investors are more focused on. In Q3, the impact was $200 million. Between October 1st and October 21st, the first 3 weeks of this month, the impact was $600 million. What will be the impact going forward? GM says it expects a $200 million per week impact from the UAW strike as it currently is laid out. In other words, if there are more locations where the strike grows at General Motors, that cost will go up. Right now, it's at $200 million per week. As a result of the UAW strike, General Motors is withdrawing its guidance for 2023. It is also withdrawing its EV production guidance of 400,000 EVs produced by the middle of 2024. This speaks to the higher costs that they're facing and the uncertainties within the EV market as sales start to slow down a little bit, plateau, if you will, or the rate of growth is not as great. It is delaying its production ramp at the Michigan Orion plant, which we talked about over the last week and a half. And finally, GM expects to save about $1.5 billion by slowing down that ramp up in EV production. But again, the headline here is they are withdrawing guidance for 2023 because of the UAW strike. We'll discuss this with GM CFO Paul Jacobson. He's coming up next hour, guys. Lots to discuss with him, including where things stand on their latest offer. They're offering 23% cost of living adjustments, a number of other things. And we've heard from the UAW. We heard from them on Friday. They basically said the Arlington plant is on notice for a potential strike. We'll talk with Paul about that coming up next hour.